Okay, so I have a 2015 Can-Am XMR 1000. I just washed it. We just had a weekend riding at Mines and Meadows in Wampum, PA. It's an ATV park, and I just want to let everybody know how important maintenance is on these, or any four-wheeler for that matter. And this is exactly why we do it, or you should do it. Check your fluids and grease everything. So this is my rear diff oil, and as you can see, it is not clean. Obviously some water got in there, and what I've had going on is it's not leaking from the rear diff itself anywhere in the drain plug, which is right over here, or the filler plug. What you have on the Can-Ams, I don't know if they're on every four-wheeler, but on the inside of your CV, there's a rubber joint or gasket on the inside of this that actually seals these. And what can happen is, due to a lot of pressure buildup and or water, anything getting in here, or they're just going bad in general, it'll push out on the gasket, and water and debris can get in there. And well, you don't want to replace a rear diff on a Can-Am. You're going to be delving into quite a bit of money. So I just want to reiterate how important it is to check all your fluids, greasing these machines, and I'll get into that later on after I am done draining this fluid. And I'll make a video on me replacing that gasket on this side. This is where the leak is happening, but I'll replace both of them just because it's important. But let me say that the rear diff fluid for Can-Am, they recommend a 75 weight by 90. I use the 140. It's just personal preference. You don't have to. And this stuff goes for about $20 to $22 a bottle here in PA, which is ridiculous if you ask me. So from now on, I'm going to be running AMSOIL. It's what I run in all my vehicles or any of my machines. And it's much cheaper, and it's just as high quality. So that's also another thing to consider if you don't want to fork out the money for that, which saving money is important. But yeah, I'll give an update whenever I jack this thing up, take the tires off, and grease everything. I'll show you guys the greasing points, show you guys where the drain plugs are, what the measurements are, and anything to help you guys out. All right, have a good one.